You know, you need to chill. No, get down. Get down. Jeez. Alright, I picked up the Mounting Dream full motion TV wall mount. There's the model number. I'm going to try and hang that up here shortly as soon as my last client comes and see how it works. We're going to put this in the game room downstairs. I like to call it the fun room. Anyhow, let's get going. Also, this is the VESA hole patterns, or mount patterns that it fits. For those of you who want to see how it's packed, there it is. It's packed nice and tight. Came with the paperwork and stuff on top. Looks like it comes with a free HDMI cable, I read. I don't know. I spent about $69 for this. Alright, so I got to put up here, I'll just let you know that one of the issues about it, this is my first time doing this, so anyhow, they give you a little level to get it level, you know, to make it level. The problem is the plate back here and this are not parallel, so I actually moved this right side up. I had to undo it and just move it back up a little bit. It's not totally level right now, but that's not so important because really there's screws. Here's the little mounting arms there. You actually will have screws that go into the bottom here that you can screw up or down on each side to level your TV. So I guess basically I just need to get this close to being level as possible, but I couldn't get it exact on, but it doesn't really matter because I'll be able to still adjust it there. Okay, so now I put these two brackets, slide them in. These are two separate brackets that slide together. So there's 4 pieces, and then they connect inside right here. They just slide together. I'm going to put 2 screws in them, and then this bracket will go on that side and one on that side. Then we'll just hang it right there. You can see this part there will just hang onto there. Alright, well there it is in its finished state. For now, I got this thing hung up. I'll just show you a couple of the features real quick. So you can pull it out. I can turn it that way if I want to sit at my desk over there. You can actually pivot it up and down. So if you have it really high, you can pivot it down to point to you. I personally like to be able to sit on the couch and have my head at the middle of the screen. I don't like the TVs up high. You're able to move it over this way or this way. When you're done, you can just push it back into place. Now I'll show you the back side because I've got, you know, a few consoles here set up and wired. So I want to just kind of show you the back side because I know for people, you know, I like to try to hide my wires. Right now they're just tied together, but eventually I'm going to work on another solution. So let me turn this and just bring this over here. I'm going to remove it from the tripod. So, all right. So if you can see, I've got my consoles, the various video cables right here coming up. And what I've done is, this is going to be hard to see without a light, but I've just tied some Velcro straps to the bottom of this bracket here. So I have a Velcro strap that's just one big loop, and then I tied these into a loop, or I'm sorry, I tied these with a Velcro strap and then just connected them to the loop, just ran them through the loop. So this loop hangs down about, a couple inches below this. When I close this, none of these wires get impeded or impede this in any way, shape, or form. So that's really awesome for this particular TV and the way I have it set up. So again, you can see my video wires are just coming up, connected there, run through the Velcro loop, and then all of my inputs are on this side. Let's go to the other side real quick. Let me just show you here. So, and then I have a, so that's pretty much all it is just the center Velcro, and then they're just kind of draped and connected here for now. What I may do, excuse me, depending on how I do my setup, I might put my surge protector up here somewhere, or, down below, whether I double side sticky tape it or something, Velcro it. Maybe not, I don't know. But for now, what I did is I just ran all of the power cables from the different consoles just behind, kind of tightened them up, and I just ran them, put them inside this little box here. Let's put this down here. You can see there's, the surge is right there. I just ran them through the little holes. So that's kind of how I have that set up for now. So, anywho, there you go. I like it. Let me close this. Well, I'll just step back. I'm gonna leave it. So that's it basically. So it took me a little bit to set up, to take everything down, obviously, and organize everything and get it how I wanted. Knowing now how this particular TV mount, wall mount works, I will feel just completely confident next time if I decide to hang my TV. I have an LG C9 upstairs, so I'm thinking about putting it up on the wall. And using this mount now, I'm totally confident with this mount. I do like the mount. I think it's a great mount. I want to be able to get my TV out from the wall so you can be able to, have easy access to your inputs, but yet be able to push it back. I like to be able to turn it, rotate it in, virtually any direction. So I'm totally happy with it. It's a solid mount. This particular one will hold up to I want to say it's 100 pounds. This is an old, I think it's a 60-inch Vizio I've had for quite a few years. Just a Vizio 1080p, so works great for the older consoles and down in this room. So yeah. Anyhow, I hope that helps. Again, if you have any questions or comments about this, let me know down below. If you use a particular wall mount that you really like, that's fairly easy to set up, let me know. Okay, appreciate you watching. Have a great day, and we'll smell y'all later. See ya, Mario.